Today we're taking a look at the VIPEK clothing rack with shelving. So let's open this up and I can show you what's included here. So we have the nice shelving racks here. We've got the casters, the wheels that will go on the bottom, and all of the hardware along with the instructions. We have it all put together now, as you can see, and it was pretty simple to put together. So we have two different pattern options that we can go with. So we went with the 3 shelves on the one side here, and then 1 shelf over here. And then you can hang your dresses and then your shirts or pants on that side and put some shoes or whatever you want to on the shelves. And this is a really nice metal here. And all we did to put these on was to take these little brackets and put them as high or as low as we wanted to. And then we slid each of the shelving pieces onto those brackets. And then we took the hooks and screwed in the pieces on the ends to create these nice bars. And if you wanted to mount it to the wall, then you can use these tools to do that. And you can see the wheels on the bottom. You're able to move this around freely. And then you can see the back wheels. Each one of those have brakes. So you can put the brakes on and then it won't move. So that's a super nice feature. You can see I've hung some dresses over here, some shirts or sweaters on this side, and it fits shoes perfectly, and then some boxes along the top. So this is going to store a lot of items and just be a really nice clothing hanger and shelving rack all in one. I was compensated for this. I hope this video helps.